Hello. Today, I'm going to show you how you can revolutionize your law studies with vLawyer, thanks to the advancements in artificial intelligence. Studying law has never been easier. You can find all the links in the description. Let's get started. Since I already have a vLawyer account, I'll log in, but if you don't have one, you can easily create one for free. In the Assistants section, you can see and use all the assistants created by the community. However, we want to create our own assistant tailored to our courses and knowledge base. This way, we'll be able to study in a more accurate and effective manner. I clicked the Create Assistant button on the top right, and now it's asking for some information about my legal assistant. This assistant we're creating will be our study teacher, and we'll be able to share it with the community and our friends. The most important information here includes the instructions and the files we upload. These will determine the knowledge base and behavior of our assistant. We can set up conversation starters for our assistant to facilitate its use and make it easier for other users to interact with it. I'm selecting the category for our assistant and uploading the file that will constitute its knowledge base. Our assistant will respond based on this pool of information, and it's important that it does not deviate from this. If necessary, we can further specify this in the instructions section. Voila! Our assistant is now ready to use. Let's test it out. We can search for our assistant in the search bar or find it on our dashboard. Also, remember that since we published our assistant publicly, it's available for the community to use. This way, we are providing a service to those in need. We can ask our assistant any questions we want, and it will respond with the information we have taught it. I want to start with a few questions to see how it performs. The RICO case involving famous rappers is one of today's significant cases. I uploaded the case file to my assistant, and now I'm going to ask some questions about this case. I could even ask it to help create a defense for the case. Wow, that's really incredible. vLawyer is an application with fantastic features, aiming to transform law through artificial intelligence. In the next video, I'll explore other unique features of this tool. Don't miss out on innovations. Subscribe to stay updated. See you in the future of law. Goodbye.